Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain about Synapse serverless pool. Okay. So whenever we make a setup of Synapse workspace, we get endpoint. One is dedicated SQL endpoint. This dedicated SQL endpoint is similar to any other server like SQL Server, Oracle, or MySQL. Okay, where we have a different kinds of different database, or different inside the database we have our tables and others object. Okay, that stores the data, like table stores the data, even materialized view stores the data. But when we talk about serverless SQL endpoint, it look like same as other server like a SQL server or any server, but it does not store any data. Okay, it just provide structure to the data that is available on Azure Data Lake or on Azure Cosmos DB in any format like Parquet format, Delta Lake format, CSV format, JSON format. Okay, so I might be confusing you guys, like it does not store the data, but it has a structure. Okay, so this confusion will be clear in my upcoming video when I create our tables, or when I face the data that is available on Azure Data Lake or on Azure Cosmos DB. Okay, so in a serverless pool, what happened? We don't need to maintain any infrastructure, any setup, anything. Okay, we just need when we create a serverless pool, we have a simple SQL queries that I will show you how to write a query on a serverless pool and fetch the data of Azure Data Lake. So simply we can write a query and fetch the data that is available on Azure Data Lake or on Azure Cosmos DB in any format. Okay. Now this is just fetching the data, but after fetching the data, we can save. I cannot say save, but we can provide a structure to that data in the form of table and in form of view. But providing structure does not means we are storing the data. Like data is in a file, but if we provide the structure in the form of table, then every time we don't need to write some complex query to fetch that data. We will have a simple query like select a star from our table name, select a star from view name. So this introduction might be confusing, but when I do practically, everything will be clear. Okay, so this is basic introduction about serverless pool. Now in a serverless pool, what happen when we create a data warehouse, that is called logical data warehouse. Okay, so data warehouse means it's a simple, like in any of the server, what we do, we create a database. So when database has a huge amount of data, I mean historical data, then we call it as a data warehouse. So why we are calling logical data warehouse in serverless pool? Because we don't store any physical data. We have only logical tables, logical view, that is only providing structure to the data. That's why we are calling it logical data warehouse. Okay, now next come to that supported T-SQL. So it support select, it support create external table, it support DDL statement related to views and security only. That's it. And it does not support trigger materialize view table. It support external table but not normal table. Okay, it does not support DDL statements other than ones related to view and security. Okay, so it support DDL statement only related to view and security. Then it does not support a DML statement like update. Okay, now we can enforce security using login and user. So we can create a login username and password for the serverless pool. We can set a credential on storage account. We can grant, deny, and revoke permission per object label. We can apply Microsoft integration. Sorry. So these are the things, these are the security related things we can enforce on a serverless pool. Now these are the theory, but in my upcoming videos I will explain how to apply this security. Okay, now let me see, is there anything remaining in the introduction? No. So in my next video I will try to explain this security features. Then after explaining the security feature, I will show you practically how to create a serverless pool. Sorry, how to create a database inside the serverless pool, and then how to enforce security, different kinds of security on serverless pool. Then after that we will work on different kind of objects and different kinds of query that we can use in the serverless pool to fetch the data that is available on Azure Data Lake Gen 2 account or other storage area. Thank you.